Hmm. Let me share my screen. Okay. So let's delete this first. So otherwise keep it. We'll create one more pipeline. Let's delete a cluster first. This is project I have explained to them. Uh, Go to configure, script path. Okay. Why? You must be signing now. This is my account only, right? Open two-factor authentication. So all good, guys? All good, huh? Please, if you're facing any challenges now, if you can say, I can do anything. 53694 2252139 So this MAV and SonarQube tool is mostly related to development area. So may not get interest, but the next tools, Docker Kubernetes, very interesting tools. We can easily, understand plus interesting tools. So now I want to delete my EKS cluster I created through Jenkins actually. Now the script from SCM, right? I'm calling script from SCM. In this case, I can do the changes inside the script from SCM. Uh, yeah, Jenkins file. So this is the Jenkins file. I want to delete now actually. Okay, let's save and apply. Build time it will ask. Yeah, build with parameters is asking. Nice. Destroy. Yeah, I want to delete my EKS cluster through Terraform. The Terraform is configured inside the Jenkins. So running Jenkins controlling my EKS cluster. Delete, create. But the background working is what? Terraform. Understand? Already this concept is done, right? Pipeline from SCM in the Terraform. It will take time anyway. The reason this is cluster destroy, it will take 15 minutes. Okay. Now the guys here, my end, SonarQube is there, right? Cluster, EKS, Kubernetes cluster. Not for you. The batch 7:30. The last class is Monday. Next Azure. So Tuesday onwards, we can start Azure, okay? Frankly speaking, Azure actually, I haven't explored more like GCP and AWS. Actually, I have given training on Azure also, but I spent only 3 days, 3 days, 4 days only for Azure what is and all. But now time came to explore on Azure also actually. The thing, Azure also little important, right? Like other countries, especially UK, US, they're focusing more on time came to ship Dubai. Azure also. Yeah, good question. Who's asked this question? Anyone please explain this question answer? May you get this kind of questions also, right? Prasanna Lakshmi is asking. Yes, he is always asking interesting questions anyway. Tell me, I already explained, right? What is the difference between test cases and Sonar Cube test cases? Sonar Cube is not test cases, by the way. Sonar Cube is just static code analysis. It is not going to give the any use cases. It's not functional test cases. But test cases is not check the code quality, check the functionalities. Both are different. Okay. So one new mentor is going to join from Monday. She is Honey, 10:30 batch. She's having very good knowledge. Utilize her. AWS, Azure, GCP also she knows. DevOps, yes. So sit with her. She's also interesting to explain the concepts. Learn, learn, learn. Even I will add into your group also, online also, so online team also. So I'm giving total 8 mentors now. I don't know whether you are connecting or not, but they are full busy. Many students are connecting with them. I don't know whether from this batch you are connecting or not. I don't know clearly. But 7 mentors are not sufficient to give the answer. I mean, give the support. That's what we deployed one more mentor. Now 8 mentors in your end plus one trainer. Yeah, Azure also. Combined classes means what? I will let you know. Tuesday timings 9 a.m. only. Maybe half an hour difference may come. 8:30 maybe. I don't know. I'll confirm. Mostly 9 a.m. only. No, no, not 7:30. Yeah, 7:30 batch I will add into the 9 a.m. batch for the Azure classes only. Okay. What I'm going to do in the meanwhile 7:30 time I will take some doubt sessions and all. If I merge 7:39 or 9 into 7:30, but 1 hour is gap is there, right? That 1 hour I will take any sessions. You can ask any questions and all. Okay, let's connect my server now. We can have external. But whatever services I discuss in AWS, all services I'm not going to discuss. Important service, storage, database, server, if possible, Lambda function. I mean, already discussed AWS also, but it's not like AWS. AWS more focused, right? Our primary skill set is AWS. Azure will cover not 32%, 30%, 20%. Azure also will cover 80%. But small differences may be there. The differences you can explore. For example, if something DynamoDB concept we use in Terraform, or we use AWS Lambda functions for 4 or 5 classes. Azure also I'm not going to show 4 or 5 classes in Lambda function. Where is the difference in Azure and AWS? I will show the difference. Now you can explore. You can deploy any code you can run like that. Understand? AWS, I have explained RDS class, 45 classes. You know, snapshots, what is snapshots, what is, backup, what is retention. Same concepts are there in Azure also. Again, Azure, no need to take 3 days for database. Guys, this is the difference in Azure database. This is the difference in Amazon database. I will show how to create. I will show how to deploy and all. But more exploring, if you are interested in Azure, you can go for different services in Azure. That's what I'm getting. But 80% will cover, not 20%, 30%. Earlier, I told you to cover only 50%. Now, I decided to cover 80%. But classes will be extended. Maybe I told you in the time of demo, 4.5 months and all, maybe it will be extended to 5 plus. Yeah. But better guys, we don't know recruiters are asking Azure, sometimes Azure experience, sometimes GCP experience, sometimes AWS experience. Again, you no need to take training from anywhere. One training for multiple roles. Decide it like that only. Okay. Now SonarQube already installed my end. So this is 3-tier project, whatever we discussed on AWS, right? I'm explaining on DevOps, this project. Okay, already done. That's what you are able to see here, the existing projects. Okay, so you can ignore it, these two projects. I'm creating a again project. So Maven project key, something I'm creating here. Setup. Let's go for why it is coming like this. Okay, let's go to the projects. Create a project. Oh, Maven already there. With Jenkins, okay, let me check how it will. Bitbucket server, GitHub. I haven't tried this. Okay, this is maybe automation process from the GitHub. No, not recommended. So you can delete this project by clicking here, project settings, deletion. Okay, if you want to delete a project, let's create a project again. If I give test, why this is coming automatically? Yeah, copy. Okay, so go to your server here. Maven is there or not? Okay, git to clone. I'm taking any project. You can take any project. So you can, what happened? Sorry. Yeah. Now you can, what you need to do? Copy from here and run inside the server. So tomorrow I'm going to give Docker introduction. Okay. Monday, Tuesday again Azure. So you have a test, right? Wednesday. Prepare well. AWS, DevOps, Terraform done. SonarQube is done. Yes, problem is there. The reason Docker Kubernetes is not yet done. Online, why he again asking here? Yesterday I explained, right? Yesterday to today, no changes. Same. Okay. So prepare well. You can easily clear the test. Even Docker Kubernetes is also not completed. So 35 to 40% if you get, you may qualify. But practice well. 3 days, 4 days time is there. Okay. I'm not going to verify your score. By the way, you don't worry. Please come. I'm not going to check your score. I'm not going to ask what is your score and all. Okay. I'll come as usual. I'll take a classes only. Okay. If I ask half instant, we'll miss. That's what the problem is. I'm not going to ask. I'm not going to check your score even. I will check only the top one, top two, top three, top four, top five. That's it. I'll leave it. Just for interesting also. Remaining, I'm not going to test anything. Okay. I'm not going to ask anyone here. Whatever the challenges, see, if it is not possible now, next time, the positive spirit is required. See, every month is there. I think 1 month, 2 months once, I think. I don't know exactly the period. So Maven project is passed, right? Now, if you can go to the issues, I can see only code smells are 2. Okay. Any project, the process is same. Now, if I want to configure through Jenkins, mind already Jenkins install for different project anyway. So I'm going to take care here. I'm creating here SonarQube. SonarQube. Take sample. Hello world. So here you can add git checkout. So here you can add git repository. I think mine already SonarQube is there, right? Let's copy directly. Okay, code quality analysis I will explain. So, okay, till here clear, right? MVN clean, just I'm giving just clean. You can give anything anyway if you want. But this is important. Even if you can give clean or not also, this will run. This is just code quality, right? No, not depends on Maven goals. Directly run on your code. Okay. So manually I have done, okay, you can take the same command. You can run inside Jenkins. Will it work or not? Same command sh if you can give now, for example, sh. Control C, Control V. sh inside if I give same command. Oh. Whatever command you are running now. Same command if I give, it will run or not? Yes, it will run. See, behalf of you, Jenkins is going to run. If I give a codes here, it will run. Yeah, but learn something different. So instead of hard coding how to call env variables and all, we will learn now instead of hard coding. So control S now. Okay, apply and save. I'm doing through Jenkins now. So guys, my Jenkins want to update the report into SonarQube dashboard, right? First Jenkins inside, we have to configure what SonarQube credentials or not. We have to configure SonarQube credentials plus SonarQube URL also. Same like a Tomcat, right? Tomcat to deploy var file in the Jenkins, we have given what Tomcat URL plus and username password. So in this case, where should I go? Credentials, right or not? Credentials. Let's go to the manage. Oh, sorry. Credentials. We have already created a credentials right before also. So click on any credentials. So click on global credentials, add credentials, just add a credentials. So which kind I need to select for SonarQube? Uh, secret text. So before that, what should I do? Go to SonarQube. Oh, I close now. So this is Argo CD guys actually. This is cluster monitoring. Kubernetes cluster monitoring process. From here only we can monitor. Enter Kubernetes cluster, how many pods are running, front end pods, back end pods. From here only we can do everything. Okay. It's kind of, we can see automation, how many pods are running, nodes are running like this. This is the flow, how the request will go like this. But I'm thinking, is there any full screen? I want to check this full screen. Yeah, let's see. Not monitoring tool. This is the main tool for deployment of Kubernetes. We are not using Jenkins here. How to take big screen this is? Any suggestions from you? Instead of this only, I want to see this one. Like this. Minimize font size. Yes, this is not SonarQube, okay? Settings, anyway, I'm taking video actually. Settings, okay. Okay, what we can do now? I'll do one thing. Okay, cluster deleted, cluster deleted right through Jenkins. Better what we can do, close this. Focus on our SonarQube. Let's go to the dashboard. E-case is done now. Yeah, this is deleted, right? Destroyed. So Argo CD also destroyed. GitOps process. Okay. Let's go to manage Jenkins. Credentials. So click on any credentials, click on the global credentials, on add credentials. Tell me, we have to generate a token now, right? Actual token process we can use here to log in. Like in ECT inside also we are using this token only, right? Which token? This is enter token, Okay, no problem. I'll generate one more token also. If I have any doubt, that will be we can go for simply go inside. SQP is there or not? I don't know. Anyway, see how to generate a token. Click on the administrator. Click on the security. Click on the users. Tokens already two is there, right? Generate one more if you want. Enter token name. So dev 30 days expire. It will say expire in 30 days. Take this. Yeah, SQ also there. Okay. Copy this and you can put somewhere better. And let's go to the Jenkins now. You can give this token. So I have to give the token which process I can select. Secret file or secret text or GitHub app or username password. Secret text. Give my secret here and give here sonar something like this. Create. So authentication purpose I have configured my token, right? Next is what? URL. Right or not? URL. Yeah. So in this case, go where should I go to configure URLs? Tomcat where we have created? Tell me here. System. Very good. System configuration settings. So here you can go and check SonarQube. SonarQube server is there, right? Here you can come here. Yeah, here you can give the name Sonar server. You can give any name. Give the URL of the SonarQube. So I have already explained to them, right? That's what URL also there. Token is what? Sonar. I have given token, right? Authentication, access SonarQube, Sonar server name is. So now you can select any environmental variable also. Okay, that means env of Sonar server. If you can give in a Jenkins, that means URL and password. If no env, you have to take this one, this one, this one into Jenkins dashboard. Instead of that, click env. That means env of Sonar server. That means endpoint password. Okay. Let's open the duplicate tab here and go to here. SonarQube configure. So now understand steps with SonarQube in env of whatever name I have given, but I have given different name, right? What name I have given? Only Sonar server scanner. Clear now? So this will call your Sonar environmental variable. Clear? Now this is actual command sonar sonar mvn. You can give install or clean something. If you give clean at the time of scanning at the install time, okay, like that, or you can give clean also, no problem. Apply and save. Let's see now. If I get any error, we can. Sir didn't save the details. Oh, is it? Then it will throw an error, right? Done. So yes, this is done. Let's go and check now. Projects. See, 25 seconds ago, just now. Project build success. Clear now? But I want to, okay, let's take this and validate by ChatGPT also. Any things we can configure here. Project level, not application level. You can see Sonar key is for authentication. Which project you are using, that will be work. Okay. Yeah, you can use, but you are not implementing multiple projects in single project, right? So you can use. Okay, Docker is pending, right? You can leave it. So just they're explaining like this, and here, can I give different command? Just I'm asking here. Yes, we can give different command also. Yeah, we can give clean, or you can give only Sonar analysis also. Clear now? See, if you can see here, here I'm running clean. For example, Control C here. If I want to run only Sonar analysis, what should I do? MVN clean verify, I'll remove. Just only Sonar. Clear what I'm trying to say? This is for what only? Only Sonar analysis on your code. Yeah, like this it will work. Understand what I'm trying to say? In the Jenkins code, where should I give like this? I can remove. I can give only Sonar. Apply save, you can run. Okay, let's add this one also. Just for new things only. Configure. I can add like this. In this case, in place of Sonar server, I can use Sonar Cube only, right? Like this. Understand? Like this also we can do. If you want to give Sonar Cube like this. Apply and save. Different process. What I'm trying to say. If you want to give different name, there you can declare environment. Done. Clear now? Any questions from anyone? So if you define environment of Sonar Cube here now, here you no need to check this one also. This is UI, there is scripting. So I'm calling this one, right? I'm calling this one here. So here, if you call this one, automatically this two will apply. This is token, this is URL. If I want to apply discard bills, I'm giving only one. So in this case, previous bills will be deleted automatically. Why this is fail? Because we removed this one now. Okay. Let's go to check logs. Okay. Sonar cube does not match. Go to the configuration. Let's discard bill. It's not like that. Let's no need dollar. Oh, got it. This will print like a value, right? Clear now? So I'm calling env. If you give quotes now, this will print like a value. Now this is not value. Call the sonar cube, which is sonar server, like this. This name should be same, guys. This name should be same. If you give different name here, you can give different name here. Very important. Clear now? What about quality gates? So, okay, till here pipeline is going to be just give the result only, right? But I want to add quality gates also, right? Okay. So, but the thing is quality gates first we can create and give the name of the quality gate in the pipeline only. Okay. Okay, let's go to the quality gate process. Where to go? Quality gates. Next is what? Create. Next is what? Give any name. I'm giving test. Next is what? Create a quality gate. Yeah, mostly Java related projects only we are using. Why it is not opening? Oh, here only, na? Let's delete first. Okay, create test quality gates with conditions. Oh, dashboard changed, or something what happened? Okay, here only they add conditions. So unfull work. Here what should I do? Code smells already 2 is there, right? Let's give code smell something even 1% also greater than like this. Clear now? Next is what? Set as a default. In this case, what should I do here? So we can take code quality also. Sorry, quality gates also. Yeah, we have to mention Jenkins. That's what I'm taking here. So we can add, guys, this one also if required. See, different stages. Add quality gates also. Test name. Huh? Yeah, no problem. Add quality gates. Yeah, just here I'm adding only, just as a stage. If I use set automatically, it will run correct. Yeah, see, quality gates. This condition is what here? Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, so without this, I can run now. Without Jenkins update, I will run. See what will happen. So I'm not adding any quality gates. Okay, but I have added into the dashboard quality gates as a default. Let me run. Go to Sonar Cube. This is fail. But what Jenkins? Giving success. Jenkins won't take any feedback, quality gates fail or not. It will execute or not, it will take only. Project build complete or not. In this case, what should I do? Add quality gates block also. See like this. The condition is what here? If quality gates okay only, it will, if quality gates, for example, let me add, you can understand the difference now. Okay. So here it will give actually success flag. But here I'm giving wait for quality gates also. Okay. Wait for quality gate. Now you can see. Build now. See, Maven project failed, but server side processing is success. Clear now? Quality gates are validation also now doing now. Code and no changes, configuration and no changes. Jenkins also validating now quality gates. If quality gates fails, Jenkins will fail this job. So next process, it won't give any declaration. Clear now? See, build of Sonar Cube quality gates are failed now. Validations are failed. Understand now? So in this case, go to configure now. Clear the process now, what I'm trying to say. See here, this block is for what? Validating the quality gates. If the quality gates issue is there, it is going to be, see, quality gates equal to 1, equal to okay means what? Quality gates also, if something is there, it is considering now. Because the minimum is 1%, yes. These are post activities. If it is success, if it will give a, yeah, this is predefined function, yes. This is predefined function. Wait for quality gate is a predefined. So if you are having any questions, again, simply you can take and ask ChatGPT to explain this. If I'm not available, no one is available. See, wait, this Jenkins function provided by SonarCube Scanner plugin. It passes the pipeline until SonarQube complete the analysis. It retrieves call ticket status, example OK, one, error. So we are giving OK. So here definition is equal to call ticket, wait for call ticket, stores the results SonarQube call ticket in evaluation in a variable QZ. So the QZ status contains the call ticket status. If QZ status, exclamation equal to OK means if the call ticket does not pass OK, the pipeline fails. So the call tickets are does not pass right now. Call tickets are not pass. In this case, pipeline will fail. Understand? So like that. If my quality gate see condition is changed or not now? Before and now. This condition is what? Before exclamation and equal, right? Go to directly condition. See, in the quality gates pass. OK means it will verify like a pass. Clear now? Yeah. If you give exclamation equal to, the condition is if it is not pass, it will throw an error. Different conditions. But here, not possible to give any conditions. I mean, conditions we can use SonarQube server level only. Here, pipeline itself not possible to give any conditions greater than 1, greater than 2. Understand the reason? SonarQube inside build activity, this is quality gates conditions we can give inside the build activities, not from the Jenkins. I'm going to change again SonarWay. Now if I run, what will happen, guys? What will happen? It will fail or success. Think it. The condition. Fail. Why? So in this case, let's try to give like this. Hmm? We are not using this is a success, right? I'm not calling anything here actually. If you can see, I'm not using here any test or default call tickets. Okay. But the condition is what? The conditions are different. But how I can manage, I'm thinking now. So for example, if you give this condition which is equal to, let me go for here, what it is given suggestions, we'll read now. So let's take now, we have to take different conditions. Okay, if you give, okay, let's take this, we'll try, apply and say. So for example, this time, if it will success, next we can change the Sonar Cube analysis. Now this time, no issue, right? In the project level. Call tickets fail. Why? Go to call tickets. Oh, set as a default. Okay. Okay, I forget here. Okay, you're talking about this one. I'm thinking in the code level. Okay, okay, got it, got it. Now it will success, right? Clear now? If I use here, this should fail. Here Jenkins, same pipeline, but the issue is what? Here, here is what? I'm using some conditions. The condition is what? Already some issues are there in my code, right? The Yeah, clear now? Already some issues are there in the code. What are the issues here? Two issues. Okay, code smells or something. But my set point is what here? One. That's what. If you change again, it will success. Control A, Control C. Let's add like this. Control S. Okay. Okay. So any questions on Sonar Cube now? Okay. So Java is clear, right? How to work with Java? Let's go for Python process. Okay. Let's go for Python process. Okay. This is Sonar Cube with Java. I hope you guys are clear. Any questions? So guys, my suggestion is you don't think like a developers in this area, just configurations. This is not our job. So how to understand this issue means first learn Java. I too don't know. Okay. How to rectify this main code means we are not Java developers. Yeah. Evening Java developers are there. You can check with them if you want. Okay. Yeah. Let's see the Python process. If you are interested in the Python process also. Um, okay. Let's wait. Different documents creating a confusing my end. Yeah, this is for Python process. But whatever I have shared. Just a minute. Let's modify something here. Okay. Let's modify this now. The pipeline. You can take this pipeline. After that, these are the reasons. Yeah, other programming languages. Let me download. V109 downloads this one. So let me send this document. This is version 1. You can go through this. Perfect. Let's go now. Other programming languages. Other programming languages. Let's go for Python. Huh? So if you want to run Python, so let's take this command first, copy. Let's understand. Okay. So, okay, my token equal to, I can first go to clone the Python repository. So Cloud Tech. So let's take any Python repository. Any Python. Okay, this is there, right? Docker Python Flask project. I'm taking this HTTPS and clone. Okay, git clone, paste. So go to Python. I'm here. Okay now. So in this case, if I want to run SonarQube project here, in this case, what should I do? Go to projects, manually, give the Python something, setup. You can select here locally and then go for generate a new code. So continue. So here you can select others. Python is there in the other, right? PHP Python, not Maven now. Select others. Linux or Windows? Linux. So it will give some code here. So Sonar Scanner, Python, source code, host. This is what? Token. Same. In this case, if I take here, you just need to execute following commands in your project folder. Okay, I'm inside of my project folder. Let's go and execute. What is error? Sonar Scanner command is not found. So other projects are using Sonar Scanner command. And Maven projects and all only Sonar. What is the difference here? See, other project scanner is different completely. In this case, it should run Sonar Scanner command starting. But Sonar Scanner is not there in my Linux, right? So you want to be install that. So how to install? You just follow the steps to install. This is installation process only. I'm installing Sonar Scanner here. If you want to work with Python, you can do it. Otherwise, leave it, no problem. So source bash hrc environment variable, this process is. Let's run Sonar Scanner version. Okay, Sonar Scanner is running. Now go to this command. I mean, this command I'm running again. So Sonar Scanner is installed, right? Now I'm able to execute this. Now go to here, projects, refresh. See, Python project also updated. Same process for Jenkins also again. Take that and add it to the one of the block. Clear? If you want to add call tickets, you can add call tickets also again. But in the same Sonar, we are not running Python and Java, right? Understand? If you are validating a SonarQube for one project only, you are doing, not multiple, right? Okay, your task is to how to test no. Okay, already question is there, na? Node.js. Okay, how to test this process for Node.js? Explore it. Okay, okay. SonarQube is not there. SonarQube is using for Python and Java. Even developers also not thinking like this. Okay, they are saying if I show Java Python student, why you are showing Java? We are Python developers. We are DevOps engineers. Still, we are thinking for how to do Node.js, how to do. At least we are thinking, right? Their development background, they need to think more compared to us. We can think alternate Jenkins for what? This is our job. Their job is alternate Python for what? Their job. Yeah. So give me the solution for Node.js, how to do this. Okay, Node.js, it will support or not SonarQube. If it will not, which tool? If it will, how to the process. Okay, if you are interested, you can explore it. Clear SonarQube, everyone? Maven, SonarQube. So far the DevOps tools are completed. Git, Terraform, Maven, Jenkins going on, SonarQube is done. Okay, let's go to the Jenkins concepts again. We have a 15 minutes of time. I'm just checking the topics, what and all is pending. I need to check all the documents once. Lot of documents are there. We'll discuss users management now. Okay. Okay, let's go to the Jenkins users management concept. What is Jenkins users management concept? So for example, uh, SonarQube has to test by developers. The code quality checking purpose, they can test and modify the code. They can test and modify the code. They can run the pipeline and check the result and modify the code. And again, run the pipeline and check the modification. Something. We have to give the Jenkins pipeline access to them. They can run every time. If they ask you to run again, I will test again, run again. It's not possible, right? We can give this pipeline access to them, run continuously and until rectify the issue. Code quality, right? In this case, we have to give a pipeline access to developers. In that case, you are not supposed to give your full permissions credentials. This is admin, right? In this case, what should I do? We can create our Jenkins users management concept. In this case, we need a plugin. Go to plugins, available plugin. So role based authorization strategy, like IAM role, yes. Role based authorization strategy plugin need to install. My end document is already there. I will share. Step number 1, install role-based authorization strategy. Plugin is required. Next, go to manage Jenkins. Again, after done that, we should go for security. Click on the security. Here, yeah, here you can select authorization and role-based strategy. Clear now? First, install the plugin role-based strategy and come to manage Jenkins security. Change to authorization is role-based strategy. Next, save. Clear till here? Yeah. Next, now, if I want to give access to someone, I should create a user. Okay. Let's go to users. I'm going to create a one user. For example, dev1. Password also I'm giving. You can give any name, no problem. I have created a dev1 user now. So we haven't given any permissions, right? Let's give a permissions. First is what? Install plugin. Next is what? In the security chain, the role-based authorization strategy. Next, come to users, create a users. All options enable inside manage Jenkins only. Clear? Let's go to dashboard now again. Again, everything is inside the manage Jenkins only. Go here, click on manage and assign roles. User ID means we can assign role to a user. So here my admin role already, admin permission already there here, right? So we are going to add a role. You can give any role name. I'm giving here dev role. Add dev role contains what? I'm going to give uh, jobs. Yeah, view. This is credentials view. Okay, I'm giving read permission overall. Apply, save. I have created a role only. Next is what? User is ready, right? Attach this role to user. Clear? Or add user into role. In this case, assign roles to user. So add user. Username is what? Dev1 na? Only Dev1. Dev1. Which permission I should give? Dev permission. Still I'm able to see, right? Okay, no problem. But if you can click here, you can understand. You are inside the user one. It will show your name only who is going to add. But here dev1, which indicates dev1 user permissions are what? Dev permissions. Now apply, save. Clear now? Let's log in as a user now. Copy. Go to different Microsoft Edge something here. 8080. Username is what? Dev1. See, only given permission is what? Only view. See, nothing is there. I want to give something different permission. What should I do? Go to manage SN roles. Dev permission only read, right? Let's go to jobs. Read all jobs. Apply, save. Again come here. Refresh. I'm able to see jobs. Am I able to delete now? No, only read permission only. Am I able to run now? No build permission. So like that we can control now if you want to give build permission. So build. So give the jobs build, read and build permission. Now go to the developer section. Now you can refresh. See build also available. Clear how to work with these permissions and all. Should I show one more time delete and all? These permissions only possible. Everything is available here. Do I need to show one more time? Okay, let me delete all. I will share the document even. So go to users. Do we need to delete user also? Not required? Huh? Okay. So first step is what? Go to manage Jenkins. Go to plugins. Download role-based strategy. My end not available. Why? Already installed. Okay, go to install. Give role-based strategy. After that, go to manage Jenkins. Second step is what? Go to security. Inside the security, authorization, you need to select role-based strategy authorization. After done, third step is what? Create a user. Created. Give the credentials and all. Now user is ready, role-based is ready. Next, create a role and give to user. So in this case, go to role-based, manage and assign roles. Click on this. Here, create a one role with some permissions. Okay, I'm create any role, test for example, test. Okay, add. Now give the permissions. So job build, job delete, job create. Something you can give overall admin job read like this you can give overall admin. If you can give, not required to give, that's what, something like this. I have given on only what, manage roles, but I should assign to user, right? This role name is what, test. How to assign? Go to roles. So which user? Dev1, right? Hand over to test permissions. You can give, apply, save. Then you can go on different permissions like this. You can see. Now your task is, today your task is how to give specific job access. Okay, learn, self-learning. My end 6 jobs are there. I want to give only specific job action, not all jobs. How to give? Okay, this is your task. Plus developer task also. These 2 activities for today. Plus your mock interviews today. Okay, internal mock interviews. 1 hour connect. If anyone is not connect, your wish. I'm not forcing you, but don't give any suggestions later. Sir, can you implement like this? If anyone give suggestion, we'll see different variations at the time. Okay. I have church practice now. Whatever you can. Whatever you can. I'm not forcing to anyone. Whatever time possible to you, 1 hour is not possible means I can't do anything, guys. I'm not taking any responsibility. Your wish, your team, you are in which team you can select. You can check and all. Okay. You are in which team? Talk to your team members. Your responsibility now. We have divided teams already. You can talk internally, decide how this process will take care of, will take to into the forward or simply stop in your hand only. So don't give any complaints, sir. My team person is not joining. Leave them, no problem. Just give the name and leave it. I'm also leaving. I'm also not considering anything. Whenever time will come, trainer is not available always. If trainer implementing something, you can follow that. Okay. So even one person join also, I'm happy. In your team, one person is joined, one person is okay also, I'm happy. At least I'm not expecting 100% result now. At least you can talk mutually and take some decision. Okay, maybe still we have to prepare something concepts. What are concepts we discuss? We can explore the things like that. And don't argue in different way. Team to team. It's a friendly environment. Okay, you don't know anything. Don't kind of environment. Please don't create it. Huh? Try to help. Otherwise, leave it. Please don't disappoint others. If maybe that person is not joined Terraform classes, try to give your hand to them. How to help. Otherwise, leave them. Don't disappoint them. You don't know anything. With this knowledge to clear a job, don't give any suggestions. Your job is to ask the question or help him. That's it. Okay, this is very important. Guys, please tell me if something is commenting anything, let me know. I will remove him the group. That is very important. Timings and all, Navin will share the link. Or talk to Navin, your team members, ABCD team members. We'll see how best we can do. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Happy weekend.